everybody. I know I left you hanging the last time I posted a video. You're wondering what was it? This is the moment where we finish our dinner, prep, cooking, whatever you want to call it. Last time, as we were making the Mediterranean style stir fry, go watch that video if you've not watched it. I told you that I was making dinner, and I told you that I'm going to pair it with something else from Claudia's book, but not Everyday Lolectin cookbook, because the Mediterranean stir fry was from Everyday Lolectin cookbook, but today's video is from the other book by Claudia. That's what I'm going to use today to make what I will pair with our veggies that we made the last time. So the book that I'm using is, I've cooked with it, I know you know it, I know you know it. The Living Well Without Lectin cookbook is a book that I'm going to use. And sorry guys, there is no photo for this particular recipe, so let's do what we do best. Let's give it a photo. So we are going to rely on me to give you a photo for this recipe. Whether or not I will kill it, whether or not it will come out terrible, that is a perspective that you will have in your mind when you will start preparing this particular recipe. So we are going to make, the book calls it Easy Chicken Schnitzel. That's what the book calls it, and that's what we are going to try and make. So welcome to today's video. Let's see what we are working with so that we can start. My cast iron pan is already heating. I put it to start heating because it's a cast iron, to give it a head start. And then of course now let me just show you the ingredients. One of the things that we're going to use is avocado oil. So let me put my avocado oil in the cast iron. Then let me show you down here what we are working with for the chicken schnitzel. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not, I'm sorry. So we have some pepper and some salt. So pepper and salt to taste, some eggs, some chicken breasts, and I have some cassava flour and some almond flour. So yes, that's all we are going to use for this particular recipe. I've already shown you the avocado oil, so let's mix the almond flour and the cassava flour. I think this is okay. So we want to pat them dry. I'm using around 4 chicken breasts. Yep, this is okay. Now we are going to cut. I hope I won't mess, because okay, this is what I have. It's okay. I've not made this before, so rate me as a first timer. This one is looking good. Don't rate me as a pro, guys. Don't. But I hope they'll turn out nicely, because the stir fry did not disappoint. That's it. So the next thing we're going to do, guys, we've been told that you need to arrange them nicely so that they don't overlap. No overlapping. I'm going to add a piece of parchment paper on top and pound. I don't have a mallet, so I'm going to use a small frying pan to pound. Hopefully it will turn out nicely. little bit, because my people are not fans of pepper. Just a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. And salt bay nicely. That is okay. And then we have our eggs. Now here's where the process begins. So we are going to dip the chicken breast in the egg. Or we also need to season this with some salt and pepper. But I'm going to season it with salt only. That's enough. So we are going to drench the chicken in the flour, then dip in the egg, then drench again in the flour, and then in the eggs, and then in the frying pan. I hope you've gotten the gist, eh? Let me repeat. We put it in the almonds and cassava mixture, we put it in the eggs, and then we put it back here in the flour. Then we're going to bring it here before going to the pan. I hope you've gotten everything, guys. So we start. So the book says that we need to cook them in batches, and then we fry on each side for a few minutes until golden brown. Then we transfer into a kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil. And the smell in the kitchen already. So how are we going to turn this one? Another spoon. Once you run out of eggs, you can add more eggs. Guys, I think the first one is ready. Oh. My people, rate me, rate. I told you, first timer rating. That's what we want, first timer rating. Look at that. Then we place you there. Then we continue. us taste. My people, let us taste. Look at the outside and the inside. Let me taste, let me taste. So my people, like I said, we are preparing this for dinner. Let me taste it for you so that I can serve my people dinner. Hey, hey. Guys, talk of yumminess, talk of mwah, mwah, mwah. So guys, try out this easy chicken schnitzel recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. We are going to pair it with our veggies like I said, and we are going to enjoy. See you in the next video, guys, and let me know in the comment section if you tried out the recipe and what you think about it. Guys, welcome for dinner. The combination of the veggies that we did, the Mediterranean stir-fried veggies and this chicken, we are going to enjoy our dinner, guys. We are going to enjoy our dinner. See you in the next one, and God bless. Bye bye.